Hey, welcome to a quick video tutorial. I want to show you how to log into your client portal, specifically your document vault. So to start off, go to BayRockPlanning.com. And when you go to BayRockPlanning.com, it should take you to this page. Now, if you're not already a BayRock client, you can create your portal here. But this video is really for those of you who are clients and need a little reminder about how to get into your document vault or take a look at your statements, performance statements, and so on. There's lots of information in your portal, but specifically today I want to make sure you know how to upload documents to your vault. So you'll see down here, if you're already a client, you just need to log in. You do not need to create another account. So you just click on the little login. And here's where you will put your email address, probably the one that I'm putting in now, probably the one that I sent this video to you with. So that's probably the email address you want to put in. And then you'll put in your password. If you don't know your password, let me know. I can reset it. And so then once you get in, you're going to start here at the balance sheet. And there's lots of things you can do, but what I want to make sure you know how to do is upload documents to your document vault. To do that, you click on this little three dots right here. See that? Click on the three dots and you're in the vault. If we're working on a project together, like for example estate planning, then I've probably created a folder, and you would click on that folder and then add a file, and you could then pick files from your computer anywhere on your computer. So hopefully you know how to scan and save a PDF document. That's typically the type of document you're going to be uploading, but you can upload any kind of document you want. So that's how you do that. Again, you go to BayRockPlanning.com. It'll take you to the login page where you can put in your email and password, and then click on the three dots, and you'll be in your document vault where you can upload files to be shared with all of us on your planning team. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, send me a text message, or just give me a call. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.